Good day to you, Lady Felicia.
Good afternoon, Lady Diana, Lady Molly. Fantastic day to have tea, isn't it?
Indeed.
Enjoy.
We are from Rising North, and today we are bringing you a beautiful house, not from the Victorian era.
In fact, far from it. This is one of the youngest clusters of HDB in Yishun, just 5 years old.
How fabulous! Absolutely fabulous!
Indeed.
Amongst the biggest of four-room flats available in Singapore, this house is so spacious, the current owner was able to style it in a modern Victorian style, fitting in large velvet top furniture in the living and dining.
Enjoy the unblocked view that is exclusive to this cozy home.
Meticulously designed, the floor is made of textured tiles in the living room and vinyl in the bedrooms. Easy to maintain. Blending the mixture of all-style furniture with modern ceiling lights, the whole space is bright and spacey, no matter which room you go to.
A feast for the senses. This is not a house to be missed.
Call us today for an exclusive viewing.